If you got this type of message from your email or your WhatsApp, your channel is at risk. There are hackers everywhere. You have to protect your channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you what you're supposed to do immediately you receive this type of message, either on your email or your WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If it's the first time here, my name is called Temi and you are welcome to Grow with Temi. Please guys, help me to manage this video. I was trying to film for my main channel and my mic got spoiled. Thank God that I've got another one from Amazon, but it hasn't arrived yet. So when it arrived, we'll surely use it. But as for now, mic can't stop us in creating content, right? So manage this video with me. Thank you. Like, these people are not funny at all. They are not in any way friendly with you. If you try your effort to do any step they ask you to do, why they sent you this type of message, sincerely, you might lose your channel or you might get your access being blocked. Yes, when you upload video, you will see that your money is increasing, but you can't get the money because they have already taken over your channel. Let me quickly advise you for this before I will proceed in what you're supposed to do after receiving this message. As a YouTuber, being monetized YouTuber or not, do not use the same email you used for your YouTube channel for your AdSense, because when you're trying to create your AdSense, they will surely ask you to provide your email. I will advise you to open another email personally for only your AdSense. You are not allowed to share the email to any platform at all. So yesterday, as I was trying to upload on my main channel, I received this message on my WhatsApp. Normally, I do receive them from my email. I was like, how come? How did this person got my number? Today, I said that you have the guts to be coming to my WhatsApp and you send me something like this. This is what they will first send to you. If you are that time that is in haste to get subscribers, that want to just monetize your channel faster than what you are putting on your channel. Like, if you are in a hurry, you might be the victim to these people. Yeah, they will send this to you that they've done the optimization, like they've checked your channel, your video is not performing well, you have subscribers, you doesn't have subscriber, they are going to boost your channel for you. Like, I will leave this message for you guys to read. Just be reading it as I'm talking. I told him that I'm not interested, so, and he told me that he can do it for free, like to promote my video for free. I was like, hey, this is where you have to know that this is not funny anymore. And I said, how? Because most of them that have been sending me this type of message, I don't really reply them. I don't used to reply them. So I want to know how they want to go about it. So he went on and sent me this video, how I'm going to go about it. He told me I should go to my YouTube studio, then I should go under the permission. I should give him permission. That is, I will make him as my moderator, my YouTube channel, my main channel that I've suffered a lot to get to where I am right now. He said I should make him my moderator, that is, I should permit him, then he should come into my channel. It will just be like me and him on my channel. That is for you to know you are at risk if you try to promote your channel whereby you give someone permission to enter into your channel. You'll be growing your channel by yourself. So why do you need people to grow your channel for you? If you want to promote a channel or you want to promote a video, there are ways to go about it without you giving them permission on your channel. What you just need to do is send the video to them. Just send one video to them, then that's it. You don't need to give anybody permission. Don't you try it. After you've received this type of message, block the person, block them, block. That's what you need to do, because there's no way you won't get this type of message. When you get it, block them. If not, you might be at risk. You don't need to further anything with them. Just block them. That is it. So this is what I said I share with you in case you are receiving this type of message. Do not click on any link they send to you. If they send you any link, do not try it. Anything they ask you to do, any process they ask you to do, don't do it. If not, your channel might be hacked. It might be hacked. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you pick one or two things in today's video. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.